Brad Pitt's $20 million legal battle. Hurricane Katrina victims speak out. Brad Pitt, the beloved Hollywood star, is encountering a significant hurdle in his ongoing legal battle, which involves a staggering $20.5 million lawsuit linked to his Make It Right project. This initiative, launched in the aftermath of the catastrophic Hurricane Katrina in 2005, aimed to provide eco-friendly homes for those who lost everything in New Orleans. At 61 years old, Pitt dedicated a whopping $12 million to construct 150 sustainable homes, hoping to restore hope to families in the lower Ninth Ward, an area hit hardest by the hurricane. However, nearly 2 decades later, many of these homeowners are now banding together in a class action lawsuit against him and his non-profit organization, claiming that the homes have serious issues, including mold and other defects. The legal team representing the homeowners, Ron Austin Law, recently scored a significant victory when the court ordered Make It Right to produce crucial documents during the discovery phase. This ruling has intensified the scrutiny on Pitt and his project. Reports indicate that the star of Inglourious Basterds has been attempting to avoid a deposition, citing conflicts with his busy filming schedule. Despite being listed as a witness, Pitt's legal team filed a motion to prevent him from being deposed, arguing that he has no relevant information to contribute to the case. They expressed concerns that his absence from film production for a deposition could lead to major scheduling conflicts and financial repercussions for the studio. Furthermore, they noted that Pitt is likely to be working in Europe for the next several months, making any in-person deposition a costly and time-consuming endeavor. This motion, filed in April 2024, has only recently come to light and was deemed moot in June, as the discovery process was still ongoing. The Make It Right project was initially a beacon of hope, constructing 109 homes in the lower Ninth Ward, but the reality has turned grim. Homeowners allege that many of these houses were poorly built, leading to ongoing battles for financial compensation to cover extensive repairs. The lawsuit accuses the foundation of fraud, breach of contract, and unfair trade practices, with residents reporting issues like toxic mold and elevated CO2 levels that have adversely affected their health. An attorney involved in the case remarked, "This is obviously a very difficult situation for anyone whose home was impacted by this." They expressed hope that the current litigation would hold those responsible for the project accountable. In 2022, the eco-charity Global Green, which had celebrity backing, agreed to a $20.5 million settlement on behalf of Make It Right and Pitt. However, that agreement has since unraveled, as the charity lacked the funds to fulfill the settlement, and it appears they assumed Pitt would step in to help. Pitt has publicly stated that he never approved the deal with Global Green. A spokesperson clarified, Brad had supported Global Green many years ago, so when they approached his team claiming they had secured $20.5 million in funding from generous donors, there was interest in considering their proposal. They added that Global Green had represented themselves as having already obtained these funds to resolve all claims in the ongoing lawsuit for the benefit of the homeowners. As this legal saga unfolds, it raises important questions about accountability and the impact of celebrity-driven initiatives on vulnerable communities.